Have you ever stopped to think how strange water really is? It's the only substance that gets lighter when it freezes. It can dissolve more things than any other liquid. And somehow, it's the very reason life exists. But here's the real kicker. If water behaved like other substances, you wouldn't be alive to wonder about it. What if I told you that this common, everyday liquid is one of the weirdest things in the entire universe? Let's dive into the science behind this everyday miracle. And trust me, you'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. To understand why water is so strange, we must zoom into the molecular level. A water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. Seems simple, right? But here's where things get quirky. Water molecules are shaped like a bent V, not a straight line. This weird angle makes water a polar molecule, meaning it has a slightly positive side and a slightly negative side. Think of it like a microscopic magnet. Because of this polarity, water molecules stick to each other using what scientists call hydrogen bonds, tiny sticky forces that are weak individually, but incredibly strong in large numbers. This one microscopic feature changes everything about how water behaves. Let's talk about ice. Most substances get denser when they freeze. They shrink and become heavier. But not water. As it freezes, water expands, making it less dense. That's why ice floats. This might seem minor, but it's a life-saving anomaly. If ice sank, component placement lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up, trapping marine life and throwing Earth's climate into chaos. Thanks to water's unique freezing behavior, when only the surface of a lake freezes, insulating the water below and allowing life to survive even in harsh winters. Next, water's incredible ability to climb upwards, yes, against gravity. This is due to 2 forces: cohesion exclamation, water sticking to itself, and adhesion, water sticking to other surfaces. Combined, they create capillary action, allowing water to travel up thin tubes. It's the reason water moves from a plant's roots to its leaves, and why a paper towel absorbs a spill. If you've seen water creep up the sides of a glass, that's capillary action in real time. Without this strange property, plants couldn't grow. Zrania and ecosystems would collapse. Water is often called the universal solvent. Why? Because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid known to science. Again, it's all thanks to water's polarity. Those partial charges pull apart other molecules and surround them, breaking them down. This is how nutrients travel in your bloodstream, how digestion works, and how cleaning products are clean. In short, water is nature's ultimate transporter. Imagine if water couldn't dissolve things. Our bodies, our cells, and our world simply wouldn't function. Water also has an unusually high specific heat, meaning it resists changes in temperature. This is why coastal areas don't get as hot or cold as deserts. Oceans act like thermal blankets, moderating Earth's climate. Inside your body, water helps keep your temperature stable, even when it's scorching outside. And that's not all. When water evaporates, like when you sweat, it takes heat away with it, helping you cool down. This invisible process is a biological miracle hiding in plain sight. So the next time you take a sip of water, pause and think, this isn't just a clear, tasteless liquid. It's a chemical rebel, a life enabler, a cosmic exception. It breaks the rules of physics and chemistry in just the right ways to make life possible. It's the quiet architect behind every green forest, every living cell, and every breath you take. In a universe full of chaos, water is one of the strangest, yet most perfect substances ever discovered. And the strangest part? It's sitting right there in your glass, hiding in plain sight.